Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. I'm Jess, and today we're going to do a quick review of the Camplux Fold and Go propane camp stove. We do have a discount code for you guys, so check out the link in the description and use the code Drifter Journey for a discount. And we appreciate you shopping through our links. We make a small commission at no added cost to you, and it supports the channel. So we're going to get into how this stove works and some of the features. First things first, it comes with one of these nice little carrying case bags, and it's got a cool little pocket on the back for the propane attachment cable. I like that this is a cable versus the standard like gold little L, because it gives you a lot more flexibility as far as how you set up your stove. So we're just going to open the bag here, and it is a very cute 2-burner folding camp stove. And I don't think I've ever seen a propane camp stove quite this small, and that's because it's folding. So it's got this cool little latch. Just open that up, and we've got 2 burners in here with their grates. So we're going to put the grates where they belong. Get it on an even surface. That looks good. And we got to hook this up next. So it's nice that this section kind of folds back so that you can really tuck this piece in here. And once it's snug, you know the gaskets are touching, and just screw that on nice and tight. And then we're going to screw in our propane. So this is a 17,200 BTU camp stove. That's 8,600 BTUs per burner. And it looks like it's got a pretty decent size cook surface. So if you're worried about like bigger pots and pans, I don't think that's a concern at all. It looks like it's going to fit our teapot perfectly. So each burner does have its own ignition and gas dial. So we've got a min and a max, and then this little lever is the ignition, standard piezo style, and then this is this side. So we're going to get it turned on and heat up our water. So we got to turn the gas on a little bit in order to get it enough juice to go. Here we go. And we are cooking with gas, as they say. So you can see it flaming down there. So if you like to cook with propane and you like the little 1-pound green cans, but you want a very compact, powerful stove, this seems like a really good option. I love the small footprint. I mean, we have used several camp stoves in the past, and they are like 2 times this size. So that's pretty cool. Works really well. I like that it's like foldable and still can work with like big pots because it has a decent burner footprint. So once again, check out the link in the description and the discount code, and thanks for watching.